Hello friends, in this video let's learn how to use if function using Python and Excel. We always have if function in conjunction with the logical conditions. So what are those conditions? Let's take an example. A equals to B, A not equal to B, A is lesser than B or A is greater than B, or A is lesser than or equal to B, or A greater than or equal to B. Let's solve each one of these using Excel and Python. I'm having the screenshot of what we just saw on the right hand side so that you can remember as and when you see. So I have 50 in cell A and 40 in cell B. Let's start with the equation equal to if, or we'll just type equal to A is equal to B. It throws out false for me because A is not equal to B. So let me change it to 50. There you go. It will be what true. So this works the other way around. So if we input anything apart from what we have it in cell A20, it throws me out false. So we can deal this with if condition like if logical test, if A is equal to B, then what we say? We'll say hello. So it throws me out false. So if I put 50 here, it says hello. And the next one is what if A is not equal to B? So we need to use lesser than or greater than sign here. So if they are not equal, then we have to say, let's make it more meaningful, not equal. So it throws me out false because they are equal. Let's make uneven. There you go. You got not equals. And the next one is lesser than or greater than. So I'll just type if cell A1 is less than B2, comma, I'll say A is less than B. It threw me false because A is greater than B. So let me change this to 30 and we got A is less than B. We can use else function in Excel just by putting a comma, value if false, we can say directly A is greater than B. That means if A is less than A2, A is less than A2, A is less than B. If the value is the other way around, if the return is false, it will turn as A is greater than B. So how can we change that? So here we have 30 and 40. Let me copy this. Okay, let's have it here. Just copy this formula to the right, somewhere here. And let me see. So we have 30, 40, where is A is less than B. Let me make this as 50 and this as 40. And there we go. A is greater than B. Right? Let's do a similar exercise using Python. Okay, so we got all we need. I have the Python ideally open. Let me declare a variable. Let's say A equal to 50, B equal to 40, and the first condition what we are trying to see is if A is equal to B. So the syntax is if A equals. So just make a note here. It is not a single equal. So in Python we need to use it as we need to use equals twice. If A equals to B and then colon, and then once you hit enter you'll automatically see an indent. A equal to B, then rent A time equal, enter, enter. So it did not print anything because A was not equal to B. So let me change it. A equal to 50, B equal to 50. Just copy this as is. paste it here. Okay, there you go. A, I am equal. Let us change this. A is equal to 40. B is equal to 50. And then I'm trying A not equal. So the syntax we need to use is the negation symbol, the exclamatory mark, A exclamatory mark equal to B colon. Don't forget to put a colon, and then print I'm not equal. There you go. I'm not equal. And then we need to put equal less than or equal to A equal to 40. B is equal to 40. Okay. Let's say if A is less than, or let me put it as A is less than or equal to B, then print and say I'm almost equal. Yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.